What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another episode of Goatin' Around, actually. But today we are at the docks, and it has obviously snowed. So we're gonna check out and see what the sturgeon situation is like. I know I promised you guys. Some of you guys have asked for a crabbing video, but we decided to stay in town because of the snow. So let's see if we can't fish around these boats. But let's see if we can't catch ourselves a dinosaur today. Come on and see what we can get. We got some shrimp, squid, herring, and I'm gonna throw out a worm too to see what else we can catch. But yeah. Gonna see what a worm does right there. And then I put some shad on my sturgeon pole. Just gotta find a weight to get it back, to get it out, and we'll get that out. Lots of swirls going on, so we'll have to see what kind of weight we're gonna use. Probably an 8 this time. I gotta see if I even have an 8. But yep. Hopefully we get something today. Fishing's been rough, real rough. All right, I found a 6. That should work. Hopefully that works. All right, we just hit the bottom. There is a pole holder on this dock. Because I don't want it to, because it's a slider weight system, your line will start taking off a little bit, so you want to reel in that extra. Make sure it's taut. Dogs jumping in the water, crazies. All right, well, let's see if we can catch anything. I got my buddy Mitch is meeting me here. He'll be here in like 30 minutes, and then I think Babe's eating her sandwich in the car. So let's see if we can't get one without them here. All right, I got one on my worm. Let's see what it is. Come here, little guy. I bet you it's a sculpin. It's a sculpin. These damn things. Yeah, they hit all the time. Mitch made it here. He Ubered himself here. I hate these damn things, by the way. Because honestly, I don't know if they have spikes. First fish of the day. Hopefully it's not the last. Hopefully. Oh, I'm a miss. Oh, I'm caught. Got it. Did it. Miss. Oh. I think I missed. Yep. And he took my worm. Sucker. Fish. What is it on? Corn?
No, that was a worm.
Mitch finally got a nice sized fish. Go, Mitch.
Oh,
Like
I just seen his tail go.
Yeah, like I always have to say something, don't I?
I post him.
Yeah.
I had my line.
I'm on. Fish on. Fish on the. Ooh. Let's see what it is. Fish on the worm. Oh, I think it's a large scale sucker. Yep, on the worm. Yep. We'll probably use this as crab bait. I should have brought my net. Nice. Here we go. First big fish of the day.   is a sucker fish. See the mouth on that? So that one has more like a vacuum mouth than the pike minnow does. So I know a lot of people get confused with it and whatnot. But that's what it looks like. All right, changed my bait. I got some squid on and shrimp. Let's see if that works.
How long he's been on?
So Mitch just reeled in and he just caught one of his first sturgeons ever. Heck yeah, bud.
He's good on the hook there.
Oh yeah, he's good. Oh, that's adorable. Heck yeah, we caught one. We did not get skunked. But this guy's probably not even a year old, to be honest with you. Okay, so what we're gonna do? Yeah, you gotta be careful because his
spikes, right?
Yeah, really, especially the smaller ones.
Well,
they're really spiky. Look at all those spikes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so let's get the hook out.
They just grab out by the head
Yeah, I will.
and under the belly.
Yep.
Yeah, bud.
Sometimes. Be careful. Just really hold him right here by the end of the tail.
Yeah, I just don't want to get fucked in the spike.
Yes, I know. There you go, bud. All right.
Must have been fun.
Sweet. Fish on. I think it's another sucker fish. But boy, are they fun. Oh yeah, it's a nice fish. All right, bud. Oh, you just come off. Bye, buddy. Bye-bye.